we're in the Ford Taurus. We're gonna check the codes. I don't know, check engine lights on. She's running rough as hell. I don't know, something's going on with it. Sometimes you can barely accelerate. Looks like I have a code. All right, here we go. P2198 code. Stuck rich bank 2 sensor 1. That would make sense. If it's stuck in the rich zone, it's probably telling the computer that we're getting too much fuel. It's probably why it's hesitating, running like crap, and it won't pick up speed sometimes. Let's get to the engine compartment. All right, I got the Ford Taurus 3.0 liter V6. Now you're probably wondering where bank 1 and bank 2 is as far as the oxygen sensors are concerned. Bank 1 is always on the side of where the piston is, number 1 piston. Number 1 piston on these vehicles is right here on the back side or towards the firewall. So those 2 sensors down there are the ones that are considered bank 1. Bank 2 is always the opposite side of cylinder number 1, which is right here. There's one right there. I don't know if you can see it. It's kind of dark. I haven't got my drop light out yet. All right, so that's bank 1, sensor 1. That's the one right on the manifold or closest to the radiator. The other one is actually underneath after the converter on the pipe. So that's the one that's bad. It's running in a rich mode. So I'm going to have to take that one out. Shouldn't be too difficult considering it's right there. We'll see what happens. All right, bank 2, sensor 1 is right next to the radiator. All right, that's the one I have to replace. That's bad. All right, wire is disconnected. You need a oxygen socket set. Oxygen sensor is not going to come out. I'm going to have to heat the manifold up right around the sensor itself, get it somewhat red hot, or at least try that to see if it'll help loosen that sensor up. Alright, I heated it up pretty good. I mean, you can only get it so hot with the MAP gas. It doesn't help that you can't really get a good angle here. Oh, please tell me it just broke. All right. Woo! Oh, crap, that's freaking hard. All right. Woo! All right. There she is. She's still hot. I am using quality Bosch products. As far as oxygen sensors go, Bosch, and I think the other one's NGK. Probably the best ones on the market. The new ones come with anti-seize right on the threads. Just match them up, make sure the plug's the same and all that before you even bother putting this thing in. Get it started by hand. You don't want to cross thread these bad boys, you know what I'm saying? Cross thread this and you're in a world of shit. That whole manifold would have to come off probably to get it fixed. And just tighten it real good. Or until that, enough to clasp that gasket in between there. There we go. Alright, now all we gotta do is get in there and hook up the plug back. That ought to be fun. Get this fan out of the way. Alright, she's connected. Now as you can see, this wire is longer. So it's gonna hit the fan. So all I have to do is, that's why they give it a zip ties, is zip tie this together. Let's get the fan back on. Okay. Alright, the fan is in. Make sure it's in at the bottom. Double check it work. Alright, everything looks good. Alright, let's fire this bad boy up, see if she idles any better. So far so good. Idling alright. Let's see, okay, oxygen sensor. Bank 1, sensor 1. That looks okay, it's fluctuating like it's supposed to. Oxygen sensor. Bank 1, sensor 2, steady as hell as can be, so that's good. Bank 2, sensor 2, it's pretty steady. Bank 2, sensor 1 is fluctuating right there, like it should. So RPMs are pretty steady, 690 to about 720. That's actually really good compared to before. It was going down to 500 and then back up to 700. And all right, so that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and erase the codes and drive the vehicle. It's already 100% better. The idle on it is so much better. I'm gonna go take it for a test drive and it should be all set. All right, you all take care. I hope this information is helpful. I hope all my repair videos are helpful. Take care. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Some comments below if you guys want to. All right, everybody. Bye-bye.